I have to record the lecture. Yeah, I have to record the lecture. I forgot, someone reminded me. Thank you so much. Okay. So pronouns, the four steps, three steps: identification, substitution, and placement. Okay. Let's go to the next step. So this was explained to you in this manner. If you remember, first step, identify the verb. If I give you a sentence, in the sentence, first identify the verb. In the sentence, first identify the verb. Okay. Before the verb is the subject noun. If you see where the noun is underlined, immediately before the verb is the subject noun. Immediately after the verb is direct object. ओके, वर्ब के बाद अगर ए ग्राफ ए यू ए ग्राफ ला ए ग्राफ एल एपोस्ट्रोफ ए यू एक्स है, इट इज इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. आई हैव मेड अ स्मॉल दिस थिंग अबाउट इट. ओके, एंड उसके बाद अगर क्या है, वन सेकेंड, अगर उसके अलावा कोई नाउन अंडरलाइन है, इट इज एम्फेटिक. उसके अलावा कोई नाउन अंडरलाइन है, इट इज एम्फेटिक. टू सिंप्लीफाई थिंग्स, if you see, what is a direct object? Article a, yun, they, ल, ला, ले, स, set, मोमा में तौताते plus noun is direct object. Okay. What is indirect object? A graph plus person. It is a graph plus person. Okay. Secondly, exceptions. What are the exceptions? Say के बाद emphatic, सौ के बाद emphatic. Okay. And अगर क के बाद है, preposition के बाद है तो emphatic. सब्जेक्ट के पहले एक और नाउन है तो emphatic. ओयूग्राफ क कोमो है तो सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन. ओयूग्राफ क कोमो है तो सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन. ओके, if you all want, you can take a screenshot of this. I have no objection for this. If you all want, you can take a screenshot of this. Okay, going ahead. Are we clear with this? Now, substitution and placement. Subject, replace the gertu ll, nuvu ll. Emphatic, moi, toi, lui, el, nuvu, el. DOP, ल, ला, ले, बस है मेरे लिए, ल, ला, ले. IOP, Louis and Lur. Placement rule, third step, placement rule. Replace the underlined word bin, con, except, impact. Bin, con, except, impact. Now, the question will come in this manner. Remplacer le nom souligné par des pronoms convenables, or even if they say personnel, it is the same question. Even if they say personal pronoun, it is the same thing. Replace the underlined words, underlined nouns by suitable pronouns or by personal pronouns. It means the same. Start checking your answers and ask me for your doubts. I'm going to go step by step for every answer. Okay, you should know your pronouns. Gertu ll, I'm giving the list over here, so in case you have any difficulty, you can refer to the list of pronouns. Okay, first step, identify. कौन सा है? It is underlined after preposition. After preposition. So what is it? Ted, emphatic. Ted is what? Tonic, emphatic, disjunctive. Okay, second step, substitution, EUX. Third step, placement rule, replace the underlined noun. Okay, next one. Look out for the verb. Which is the verb? Vashanter. Vashanter is the verb. The underlined noun is directly after the verb. Article plus noun. Article, adjective plus noun. Article, adjective plus noun becomes what? Direct object. So, हो गया. Identification done. Substitution. कौन सा आएगा? ल, ला, ले. Plural है. ले. Placement rule. Before. No disha. First preference goes to infinitive. First preference goes to infinitive. You see an infinitive over here, er ending verb. So before the infinitive. Okay. Third sentence. Look out for the verb. Which is the verb in the sentence? The verb is what? S-O-N-T. The verb is what? S-O-N-T. The underlined noun is where? Before the verb, immediately before the verb. So it is what? Subject pronoun. Substitution. Substitution. What is it? ILS. Abhishek, 1 minute. ILS. And placement rule, replace the underlined word. Abhishek, अगर sentence में infinitive है, va is a conjugated verb. What is an infinitive, Abhishek? It is an ER, IR or RE ending verb. So if you have an ER, IR and RE ending verb, the pronoun has to come before the infinitive. First preference goes to the infinitive. अगर infinitive नहीं है, तो conjugated verb. If there is no infinitive, then conjugated verb. Now, one request to all my students. You are going to attempt in the exam, you're going to have same manner. इसी तरह से question आने वाला है. 3 में से हमको 2 solve करने हैं. Okay, you are going to solve all 3 of them. You are not going to leave any options. अगर एक भी answer wrong है, मेरे को 2 right मिलेंगे. It is 2 on 3. So please, I'm requesting all of you, solve the entire paper. Don't leave any question. Don't leave any question except for email writing. Attempt the full paper. All question answers, all pronouns, all tenses, all plural, all feminine. Okay, next set. Identify the verb. The verb is what? Jouve. The underlined noun is where? It is not before the subject. It is before subject के पहले एक और subject. Sharon, 1 minute. Subject के पहले एक और subject. So it is what? Ted. Okay. Next one. Substitution. Louis. Placement rule. Replace the underlined word. Next one. Which is the verb? The verb is ekris. The verb is ekris. The underlined noun is directly after the verb. Okay, directly after the verb. Disha, wrong. Directly after the verb. Article plus noun. Article plus noun. Substitution. La la le. La la le. Le. Placement rule. Placement rule. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Yes, Palak. Now listen to me very carefully because I have not taught this batch in the 10th standard. Please listen to me now. ये बैच को मैंने पढ़ाया नहीं है, but I accept impact. How to remember this rule? If the sentence starts with a verb, I'm repeating, if the sentence starts with a verb and there is no question mark, if the sentence starts with a verb and there is no question mark, in that case, the direct object pronoun DOP will come after the verb with a hyphen. If the sentence starts with a verb and there is no question mark, okay, I repeat, if the sentence starts with a verb and there is no question mark, in that case, it will come after the verb with a hyphen. If there is a question mark before the verb, if there's a question mark before the verb, either infinitive or conjugated, okay, only in one case after the verb, imperative, affirmative. How to identify imperative, affirmative? The sentence starts with a verb and there is no question mark. The sentence starts with a verb and there is no question mark. Am I clear with this? Is this thing making it easier for you all? Remember this one thing. Sentence starts with a verb and no question mark indicates imperative, affirmative. In that case, after the verb with a hyphen. Hyphen agar nahi hai, again marks will be cut. Okay. Third sentence. The verb in this sentence is sont. The verb is S-O-N-T, sont. Okay. And the underlined word is before the verb. It's before the verb. So very simple. Subject pronoun and placement rule. Replace the underlined word. Replace the underlined word. Abhishek, subject pronoun je, tu, illel, nuvu, ilzels. The advantage of subject pronoun is that subject pronoun correspond to the verb. Subject pronoun correspond to the verb. Okay, subject pronoun correspond to the verb. So Louis के साथ sont नहीं आएगा अभिषेक. Next one. Okay. After say, so don't say, oh, sorry, Abhishek, it's absolutely okay. This lecture is meant for clearing the doubts. And that is why pre-worksheets were given to you all, so that you all solve the worksheets and whatever doubts you all have will be cleared in this lecture. Okay. Now, seventh sentence. After say, so, it is what? Emphatic or TED or whatever you want to call it. Substitution, Louis. Placement, replace the underlined word. It is him who speaks well French. The verb is chercher. The verb is chercher. कितना भी बड़ा noun होन दो, कितना भी बड़ा noun दो. ल, article plus noun, article plus noun. Okay, it is what? Direct object. ल, ला, ले, तीन ही चाहिए. ल, ला, ले, एक ही. ल, इधर आया ल, masculine noun ल. Before the verb. ल, chercher. I hope this is clearing whatever small doubts you all had. Yeah. Yes, Disha. Chercher la. Exception क्या है? Sorry, I didn't understand your question, Vijay. Chercher is to search for. It is a prepositional verb. Thank you, Kripa. Now, the minute you see A graph family underline, don't even think twice. The minute you see A graph family underline, don't even think twice. And it is IOP, indirect object, indirect object. AUX plus noun is indirect object. Louis and Lur, दो ही याद रखना है, Louis and Lur. Okay, ये plural है, Lur. Before. Done? Yes, Aditya. अब ये बिना एक्सप्लेनेशन के करूं आपस एक्सप्लेन. जेबी नगर, अंधेरी वेस्ट, लिंक रोड, सैंटा क्रूज, बकोला, शैरॉन, ऑरलेम, दहीसर, तुम लोग सब मेरे से पढ़ चुके हो. ये बैच मेरे से नहीं पढ़ा है. Okay, the verb is est. Before the verb subject, so it is going to be what? Il. Yes, Kalista, I will do it, don't worry. What's your Rob? L, placement rule, replace the underlined word. Okay, I'll go a little fast, that's it. Okay. Yes, Mayank, yes. Rob means dress, Unmesh, dress. Your dress is beautiful, so it is beautiful. So, don't get confused by sont is a verb. कंफ्यूज मत होना, इसलिए मैंने वो एक्सेप्शन में लिखा था. एक्सेप्शन में सौ लिखा था. सौ मत. these are expressions. These are emphatic. सीधा. es है. Please be very careful about the number and gender, students. Es is what? Feminine plural. So sont else. These are my friends. These are them. Okay. Elle n'ajoute pas le sel. She is not adding the salt. नेगेटिव है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. नेगेटिव है, वर्ब है लेकिन. ओके, अनलाइन नाउन किधर है? वर्ब के बाद. अनलाइन नाउन किधर है? वर्ब के बाद. आर्टिकल प्लस वर्ब, आर्टिकल प्लस नाउन, डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. ल, ला, ले, तीन ही आएगा. ल, ला, ले, तो क्या आएगा? ल. प्लेसमेंट बिफोर द वर्ब. Is there any infinitive in the sentence? कोई er, ir, re ending verb है? नहीं है, एक ही verb है. So before नहीं अभिषेक, कभी भी याद मत रखना. Before the verb अभिषेक, हमेशा before the verb add करना, तो गलती नहीं होगी. Before the verb. Am I getting clear? Is things getting clear with you all? प्रोनाउंस इज वन टॉपिक. फर्स्ट टॉपिक प्रोनाउंस मैंने इसीलिए लिया कि प्रोनाउंस में बच्चों को छोटा कंफ्यूजन होता है. वो आएगा बेटा, कल के 3 लेक्चर में वो भी आएगा. डोंट वरी, सब कुछ होगा. डोंट वरी. इफ यू हैव सॉल्व्ड द प्री वर्कशीट्स, वी हैव कवर्ड all the topics which children find confusing. आई थिंक द लास्ट सेट. कितने हैं सेंटेंसेस? 15 है ना. सेंटेंस खत्म, लास्ट सेट है. नाउ दिस आंसर्स द क्वेश्चन. इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस है. ए ग्राफ प्लस नाउन खत्म. ए ग्राफ प्लस नाउन फिनिश्ड. आईओपी सोचने का भी नहीं. अभिषेक नंबर एंड जेंडर. नंबर एंड जेंडर पेरेंट्स बोला हुआ है. लुई लर. इवन दिशा यू आर रॉन्ग. लुई लर प्लूरल है. दो ही तो बोली लर्न करने को. अनुष्का व्हाट इज रॉन्ग विथ यू? व्हाट इज रॉन्ग विथ यू अनुष्का? Daisar East, I know you all very well. Louis and Lur. Lur आएगा. Now wait, relax. Placement rule. There are two verbs. There are two verbs. We have done. किधर गया? We have done as well as we have always. We have done as well as always. सेंटेंस वर्ब से शुरू हो रहा है. सेंटेंस वर्ब से शुरू हो रहा है, लेकिन क्वेश्चन मार्क है. सो इंपेरेटिव अफर्मेटिव नहीं है. क्वेश्चन मार्क है मतलब इंपेरेटिव अफर्मेटिव नहीं है. Okay, so before. But done is what? Past participle. Done is what? Past participle. Past participle मेरे फॉर्मूला में नहीं है. Infinitive conjugated verb. Infinitive conjugated verb. So before the conjugated verb. Before the conjugated verb. Whichever sentence you are getting wrong, एग्जाम में वही वापस रॉन्ग करोगे, इसलिए उसको मार्क करो. एग्जाम में ये वर्कशीट्स को जरूर रिवाइज करना. Before your exams, revise these worksheets 100% because we have tried to cover each and every possible sentence which can come in the board exams. हर variety के sentence हमने cover किए हैं. Every type of sentence has been covered. So these worksheets are the best revision for you all before the exams. And whatever mistakes you all are making, don't repeat the same mistakes in your exams. Placements is what, Palak? I didn't understand the question, Palak. Please clarify. Now, exception. OU-ग्राफ अगर सेंटेंस इंटरोगेटिव वर्ड में है. OU-ग्राफ. No Disha, understand. OU-ग्राफ. It is a subject pronoun. In an interrogative sentence with interrogative word, in an interrogative sentence with an interrogative word, it is CV-SP. The CV stands for conjugated verb. SP stands for subject pronoun. So this is a subject pronoun. OU-graph. I have given over here CV-SP. U ate ill. Where is he? This is not direct object. In an interrogative sentence, I repeat, in an interrogative sentence with interrogative words. तुम्हारे एग्जाम में OU-ग्राफ क कोमो तुम लोग को मैंने अभी दिखाया था. OU-ग्राफ क कोमो. Okay, it is going to be a subject pronoun and not a direct object pronoun. Who ate ill? Where is he? AU-ग्राफ ऑनलाइन सोचना भी नहीं. IOP. लुई और लर. दो ही. लुई और लर. लर. Hyphen is dash. Dash hyphen. Lur. Sentence starts with a verb. Sentence starts with a verb and no question mark. Sentence starts with a verb and no question mark. So where will it come? After the verb. Mayank, after the verb. Okay. Yes, Santa Cruz, just wait, just a minute. After the verb with a dash hyphen. Okay. Santa Cruz. Yeah, Palak, listen to me. Now listen to me. In an interrogative sentence, what is an interrogative sentence? Question mark वाला sentence. Question mark वाले sentence में अगर interrogative words हैं, what are interrogative words? OU-ग्राफ, QUE, COMMENT, como. Where, what, how. Interrogative words हैं. So this is a subject pronoun and not an object pronoun. In an interrogative sentence with interrogative words, the underlined word after the verb is a subject noun and will be replaced by a subject pronoun. Okay. To make it easier, you follow the rule of CV-SP, conjugated verb hyphen subject pronoun. So over here, you're going to have a subject pronoun. Votre oncle, masculine singular. So IL, where is he? Yes, Palak and Santa Cruz. You can check in the master key. These notes have been mentioned in the same manner. This explanation what I have given you right now is there in the same manner in the master key. Check in the master key of pronouns. It will be there in the master key, definitely. Okay. Next, pronouns all clear? Any doubts regarding pronouns? Thank you so much. Let's go ahead to one of the easiest topics, adjectives. Demonstrative, possessive, interrogative, qualificative. चारों एग्जाम में नहीं आएंगे, चारों में से एक आएगा. Okay, चारों में से एक आएगा. So you need to know very well which are your demonstrative adjectives, which are your possessive adjectives, which are your interrogative and qualificative adjectives. Okay, the very first rule, adjectives आएगा. Palak, in your SSC board exam, you will never have three pronouns coming together. You will have only one. So don't worry about that. You will not have in one sentence two nouns underlined. Only one will be underlined. Okay. So let's not go into that detail. Board exam में वो नहीं आने वाला है. So don't worry about that. First rule, the minute you see the word adjective जब भी देखो, first rule, adjectives agree with the noun in number and gender. Adjectives agree with the noun in number and gender. First rule. Okay, always remember this. Now, second, which are your demonstrative adjectives? Sir, Seth, Seth, and says. CE for masculine singular nouns. CET, masculine singular vowel. I repeat, masculine singular CE, CET, masculine singular vowel. CETTE, all feminine singular. CETTE, all feminine singular, irrespective of vowel. And CES, all masculine and feminine plural. CES, all masculine and feminine plural. Okay. Yes, Abhishek, only 1 mark, but you should know which adjective is which. Okay. So now I show you the answers. Check your answers and remember the rules. Okay. FILLE, feminine singular, CETTE. Livre, plural, CES. Roma, masculine singular, CE. Apartment, masculine singular vowel, CET. College, ending with E but masculine singular. Remember your exceptions. Remember your exceptions. The ones ending with E, otherwise the general rule is ending with E is a feminine noun, but there are exceptions. So college is an exception, so it is CE. And etodion, masculine singular vowel, CET. Which adjectives are these? Demonstrative. These are our demonstrative adjectives. Remember this. Demonstrative ही दिखेंगे exam में. They will not write sir, set. Okay, they will write complete avec demonstrative adjective. The same way. हमको question आना चाहिए. We should know which are the demonstrative. Next, possessive. Mama में. This has been my experience with every student, maximum students. Possessive adjective नहीं याद आ रहा है मिस, नहीं याद आ रहा है. The minute I say mama में तोता ते, oh yes miss, we know these are possessive adjectives. So let it be vice versa. Vice versa. The minute I say possessive adjective, mama में तोता ते सोसा से, not mama में तोता te are possessive adjectives. Remember, possessive adjectives are mo, ma, me. ज के साथ mo, ma, me. त्यू के साथ तो, ता, ते. इल के साथ सौ, सा, से. नु के साथ नोत्र, नोत्र, नोस. वो के साथ वोत्र, वोत्र, वोस. इल एल के साथ लर, लर, लर्स. Possessive adjective. Okay. Correspond to the subject. Always correspond to the subject and agree with the noun possessed and not possessor. इसका मतलब क्या है? पहले सब्जेक्ट को देखो, फिर ऑब्जेक्ट को देखो. Subject is le père. Le père represents subject pronoun il. With il, it is what? Son, sa, se. ऑब्जेक्ट को देखो, ऑफा पोजेसर, ये पोजेस्ड है, सॉरी ये पोजेसर है, ये पोजेस्ड है. नाउन पोजेस्ड इज मैस्कुलिन प्लूरल, सो एसीएस. के साथ मो, मा, मे. The noun possessed, devoir is masculine plural, so may. Nu के साथ notre, notre, nos. The noun possessed or object is masculine singular, so notre. के साथ mo, ma, me. The noun possessed is feminine singular, so ma. Again, के साथ mo, ma, me. Mary is feminine singular, elle, son, sa, se. Maison is a feminine noun, so sa maison. Maison is a feminine noun, sa maison. Are we clear? Demonstrative, possessive, are we clear? Please reply. Baki sab reply karo. Yes, Tia, that's a nice. I want people to reply. Malad West, Shruti, yes. Hi, Shruti. Malad East. Anyone from Malad East? Are we getting clear? JB Nagar. Good, Sharon. Atharva, Gorenga West. Good. Let's come to the next adjective, interrogative. सबसे easy. सबसे easy. Chapter number 3, exercise number 8 is only interrogative adjectives. Perfect for all of you. Okay. Let's start. Quel, quels, quelle, and quelles. Kel. Very simple. So V is the feminine singular, quelle. Apartment masculine singular, quel. Vowel का चक्कर नहीं, किसी का चक्कर नहीं है. Ending with E, feminine singular, quel, etil. Train masculine singular, quel. I'm sorry, वापस repeat हो गया V, quel V. And chemisier, quel chemisier, masculine singular. Demonstrative, possessive, interrogative. Demonstrative, possessive, interrogative. Topic के साथ याद रखना, भूलना मत. Okay. Next one and the last one. R is a feminine noun. Heure. R is a feminine noun. That's why don't get confused by ill. Okay. R is a feminine noun. Sharon, R is a feminine noun. That's why. Simple rule. I am saying what time is it? What time? Okay. Adjectives agree with the noun it qualifies. Unmesh, other interrogatives will come as complete, avec, le bon mot interrogative. Complete with the correct interrogative word. Because you all don't have TLQ. Trivial question नहीं है. ये पूरा एक लेक्चर लिया था उन्मेश. मानसी मैम ने पूरा एक लेक्चर लिया था इसका. And we had done almost 30 sentences in that lecture. And those 30 sentences, उसके आगे कुछ नहीं आ सकता है. Okay. Last adjective, qualifying adjectives. I hope you all remember the song Grand Petit Bon Beau Jolly Janvier. Yep. Okay. So, listen to this. Understand. Those who don't get confused, understand. Abhishek किया था ना Grand Petit Bon Beau 9th standard में. Qualifying adjectives before the verb. Yes, Neha, before the verb. Okay. Now, sentence आया qualifying adjectives से भरने का है. First, look out for the blank. If the blank is before the noun, नहीं ये explanation है आदित्य, ये explanation है, ये नहीं है, ये explanation है. If the blank is before the noun, only those 13 adjectives, grand, petit, bon, beau, 4 भी याद रहा, I am happy with that. If the blank is after the noun, you can follow this rule. Colors for thing, délicieux for food, intéressant for things, like for example Roma, nationalities for person, or the adjectives which we have learned after the noun. You can follow this rule for qualifying adjectives. Okay, so in the first sentence, the blank is after the noun. So I can take colors for things. The blank is before the noun. So grand, petit, bon, beau. I have taken bell. And the third sentence, Mon père est. Est is the verb. So I can take any of them. My father is handsome, intelligent, Indian, either of them. Okay, either of them. But remember, adjectives agree with the noun in number and gender. Adjectives agree with the noun in number and gender. You can take this down if you want. So before the noun, grand petit bon beau, colors, after the noun, colors, delicious, intéressant, nationalities, or adjectives after the noun. Okay, let's go ahead. ये कोई लिख रहा है? Anyone writing this? Yes, 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 Unmesh. Yes, Yatvi. Magnific after the noun. Okay, are we clear? Let's go ahead. Aditya, sentences आ गए. Chemise is a feminine noun. Shirt. EST, verb के बाद. Ma professor the français et I can take nationality, I can take intelligent. Okay, spelling wrong हो गई. Jeune, Jeune, young also I can take. I'm young, I'm young. Don't call me old. You can even write old for that matter. मेरे को old नहीं बोलना. The blank is before the noun. The blank is before the noun. Okay, feminine singular. I can please Neha. Paris is a pretty city मत बोल यार. थोड़ा सा sensible बोलना. Big city, beautiful city. थोड़ा sensible. Question number 2. Once again, Calista, can you tell me what you want? 1 second, please hold on, everyone. Stop messaging me 1 second. Calista, repeat your question, please. Okay. So I have taken beautiful. Don't take pretty, please. Calista, repeat your question, please. I could just went up. Question 2C, you said, right? Quel chemisier? Quel. Chemisier is a lady's top. Quel. Calista. C'est mon ami. किधर दिशा? Grandville is okay. Grande is okay. C'est mon ami. The blank is after the noun. I can take nationality. Okay, don't take color for this thing. So Ondian, masculine singular. Intelligent also will do Tita. Palak, yes. Yes, Mayank, all right. Blank before the noun. Grand petit bon beau. Grand petit bon beau. Chemise is feminine. Chemise. Chemise is feminine. Calista and chemisier is masculine. Maye boy. No. Why you want Maye Sharon? No. Grand petit bon beau पे stick करो. Ancien friend. Okay. Neha, I would seriously say go for simple ones only. Grand petit bon beau. बस है मेरे लिए. Grand petit bon beau. 4 बसे. 1 mark का question है. काय को परेशान होते हो? Yes, Neha. That is okay. Say a monument ancien on Indian, Chinese, Japanese, French, anything. I can take a color also over here. I can take a color also. Say a monument rouge. I'm okay with that. Blanche. Mayank. Marrow नहीं होता. And again, Grand Petit Bon Beau. My beautiful old lady aunt is coming from Paris. Velista, are you clear with the chemisier and chemise? Chemise is a shirt, feminine singular. Chemisier is a lady's top, masculine singular. Okay. एक single R से noun change हो रहा है. Okay, one single R changes the noun. Are we clear with this? Patit, yes, will do. Thank you. Merci beaucoup. Yes, Sharon, let's not go into that all that, please. मत कर Sharon का डिटेल मत कर. बोर्ड एग्जाम में इतना नहीं आता है, इतना परेशान मत हो तुम लोग. Okay, it's a 1 mark question. For all you know, qualifying adjectives are आएगा भी नहीं, you may get possessive, demonstrative, interrogative. Just know the basic rules. Parth, Goregaon West. DES is what, Disha? Okay, the answer. Wait. Okay. Parative article. Which are the parative articles used for food and beverages? Du, dala, the apostrophe, des. Masculine singular, feminine singular, vowel, des. Okay. See the noun, frui, masculine singular, des. Le, masculine singular, du. Gato, ending with x and s is plural in French. No, no, Kalista. Please be careful. If you're writing the answers of ahead, please add the number. Ending with s or x is a plural noun. Generally, ending with s or x is a plural noun. So des. Salad Nisios, dala. Beginning with the vowel, of, and duve. In my batches, I have given this hint. It is a small hint. Tea, coffee, butter, sugar, cheese. याद है क्या Daisar and Orlem? Tea, coffee, sugar, butter, cheese, pepper. Ending with E are masculine nouns. Okay, tea, coffee, sugar, butter, cheese, pepper. These are all ending with E, but these are masculine nouns. Exam में यही words maximum आते हैं. Take this hint. Take this hint. All those who don't have this hint, please take this hint. Have you got this hint? लिखा हुआ है, दिव्या लिखा हुआ है. Take, cafe, sucre, beurre, fromage, poivre, pepper. Ending with E are masculine nouns. Okay, tea, coffee, sugar, butter, cheese, pepper. Ending with E are masculine nouns. Pizza is a feminine noun. If it is water can never be plural. Water can never be plural, Palak. I never say waters, do I? So water can never be plural. Can I go ahead to the last topic? I think the last hai. Yes, Mayank. Waters is not possible in English also. So we just say water. Water is always singular. Like uncountable nouns are always singular. हम जब plural करेंगे तब करेंगे. I do not say milks, sugars. So uncountable nouns always remain singular. Yes, Mayank. Let's go ahead. Article contractee. Article. Partitive and contractive article always come in your exam. These two questions always come in your exam. They are always there. Partitive articles and article contractee are always there in your exams. They are always there in your exams. So remember them. You have to remember two sets. Two sets. Which are they? Of the, from the, to the, at the, in the. 1 second. Aditya, ruk ja. Ruk ja, ruk ja. Of the, from the, to the, at the, in the. You have to translate the sentence to get the right answer. You have to translate the sentence to get the right answer. For example, the first one. My parents are speaking to the professor. Professor is a masculine singular noun, so it will be AU. Okay. Professor can be taken as a feminine noun also. So even A-graph la will not be given as a wrong answer to you. But apna simple rakho, AU yaad rakho. Okay. Next one. This is the book. I cannot say to the boy, of the boy, of the boy. Mr. Vincent telephones to the director, to the director. I am coming. Venir is come. I am coming from the office. I cannot say I am coming to the office. I am coming from the office. Professor can be a feminine noun also, Sharon. So both will be given right to you. I am coming from the office. The professor gives the notebook to the ladies. To the ladies. AUX. And the last one, the book of the girl is on the table. The book of the girl is on the table. Okay. A small hint over here also. A small hint over here also. Generally, the verbs aller and arriver. Generally, it's a fixed rule. The verb aller and arriver is followed by default with the preposition agrav. And venir and sortir are followed by the preposition de. So if you see, you have venir over here and the preposition de. And if you have aller, you have to have the preposition agrav. I would not say for parler, but this is the rule for aller, venir, and sortir. Okay, by default, these verbs are followed by the preposition agrav and de. There is no rule for parler, but this is a rule of preposition for these four verbs. नहीं, no Nisha, no Nisha. Only venir. Passe रेसवा का venir is no. That's a totally different thing, beta. That's totally different. It's the simple verb venir plus de. No Sharon, no such rule. Okay, so we end with this, the first lecture. I hope the worksheets have come to all the students. Please do solve. Unmesh, you have to translate the sentence. Venir नहीं आया था बेटा फोर्थ सेंटेंस में. Give the book. And venir में ड आया ना, ड plus ल becomes du. Venir में ड plus ल becomes du. De is the preposition, and contracted article is a contraction of the preposition de plus the article l. So du. Okay. Okay. Please do solve the worksheets for tomorrow. It will help us to solve your doubts. These worksheets are meant to clear whatever small doubts you'll have. If you have any other doubts, please do take my number from the admin heads and you can always call me up or message me. If you have any doubts which are not clear in the lecture, please do message me or call me. And then decide, Unmesh. For example, my parents are speaking to the professor. This is the book of the boy and not to the boy. Okay. The professor is giving the notebook to the ladies and not of the ladies. That way. Okay, Unmesh? Unmesh, you have my number. Call me up. Okay. In case you have any more confusion, please do message me. Okay. Thank you very much for giving me all your attention. Of course, Abhishek, I do remember you. How can I forget you? I will see you all tomorrow. Au revoir. A bientôt. Please do solve the worksheets. Please do solve the worksheets. Yes, Palak. They will give you sentences which are easy to translate. Don't worry about all that. See you all tomorrow. If you have not received the worksheets, do call up your admin heads and